Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Leos. So on two cards have come up, I would like to shuffle again and see. Okay. Again, two cards are coming up. Let's see what on your side, Leos. What's on your side, Leos? So on your side, we have the Hierophant, okay? Let's see what's there on your person side. The Tower, okay? Let's see the most likely outcome in this situation. Page of Pentacles, okay? So there is hope, whatever it is, with the Tower. So on your side, we have the Hierophant. So it's talking about the energy of commitment, stability, long term, spirituality. It's something like that. With the Tower on your person's side, they are going through something shaky, something unexpected perhaps has happened. It's not a very good phase. Maybe they are nervous, anxiety is there, nervousness is there, anxiety is there, something shaky, something emotionally disturbing on their side. And as far as the most likely outcome is concerned, we have the Page of Pentacles. So it's small, new beginning. Let's see what it is. What's going on, Leos? Okay, so let's see, let's clarify this Hierophant. Let's see what is this Hierophant on your side, Leos. So for the Hierophant, we have the Five of Cups, the Fool, and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Okay. Oof. The Death and Rebirth, the Seven of Wands, the Knight of Pentacles. Let's clarify the Tower on your person's side. Let's clarify the Tower on your person's side, Leos. Okay. We have the Five of Wands, the Nine of Swords, the Chariot, and the Star. The Justice. Okay. So let's clarify the Page of Pentacles. Let's see what is this Page of Pentacles. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles. So for the Page of Pentacles, we have the Hermit, the Four of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. Okay. So as far as you are concerned, Leos, what I feel, it seems to be, this Hierophant here seems to be talking about some sort of healing or spirituality which you are going through or trying to focus on. With the Five of Cups, there is definitely, which is something which has happened, which is upsetting you totally. You're really upset with something, but then yes, you are ready to take the leap of faith. You are ready to have a new beginning, and maybe you are actually starting something new, totally new. Okay, so you are ready to start anew, but in the past there has been the energy of this Five of Cups which made you very, very unhappy, very, very upset, and you really feel that you've lost a lot. You really feel you've lost a lot, and it is totally enticing you, totally capturing you. You are not able to come out of it. You are not able to see as to what is still in store for you, what life is actually giving you. So you're not able to focus on what is still, what are the opportunities there for you still, what still you can avail. You're too much tied to the loss. You're too much tied to the past, or too much of whatever you have lost. You're too much tied onto it that you really don't know that there's still enough with you. There's still something more, or even something better, which is still lying behind you. You still have things, but you're not focusing on them. You're too much entangled with whatever you've lost. With the Fool, the Queen of Pentacles. So, but then yes, finally you really try to come out of this energy. You're ready to take a leap of faith. You really start from a scratch. You're willing to surrender. You're focusing on yourself with the Queen of Pentacles. So you are really focusing on yourself. You are rejuvenating yourself. And what I feel here is it's all about being at peace with the death and rebirth being there, full death and rebirth. So what I feel is there is a cycle which has ended. Okay, and whatever has ended is still, it's still sort of enticing. It's not easy for you to get over whatever you've lost. Okay, but then yes, it was a cycle. You are trying really hard. You're trying to restore peace in your own self. You're slowly and steadily trying to come out of whatever this loss you have suffered. Okay, so here what I feel is with the Hierophant, it can be a commitment which you, the loss of a commitment. Maybe it was something, maybe this loss was about regarding something committed or something long term and stable. It can be that also. But right now you're focusing on yourself. You're trying to be spiritual, meditating, just focusing on your own mental peace. That's what I feel. But something has definitely ended over here. There is a cycle which has ended over here, and it is giving birth to something new. Right now you are trying to focus on yourself and trying to deal with the situation basically. Okay, it can be anything in your life, but it was something which was long term, which was committed, which had that vibe of commitment and long term stability. It can be actual marriage or a commitment, can be a long term relationship. As far as your person is concerned, we have the Tower. So definitely there has been a hot argument or a fight between, fight away. There is some sort of a fight, something unexpected fight. That's what I could like to say. Something unexpected argument, some unexpected fight which has caused a lot of stress and anxiety on this person's life also. And they were not expecting as to things like this will happen, but then it has happened. But still, the beautiful part here is we have the three major cards here following this anxiety and tension and this argument. Though the Tower itself is a major card, we have the Chariot, the Star, and the Justice. All the three are the positive and the beautiful cards. Trying to, Chariot and the Justice, trying to restore the balance immediately. Though this person is, after the fight or the argument, this person has really suffered a lot of anxiety, but then they are ready to bounce back, ready to restore the balance, ready to balance everything, ready to take everything in the stride, trying to balance everything, because they really wish and true wish and really want things to be okay. Things, they want balance to be restored. So Chariot and the Justice is talking about the balance, the rapid action. So it's like rapid rebounds or coming back, trying to bounce back from the anxiety. Okay, no, I don't want to be with in this negativity anymore, and I want to take charge of my life. Okay, I want to act on it, and I really want things to be okay. It's something like that. So if there has been some sort of a dispute between both of you, this with the Five of Wands, whatever it was, this person is ready to give it a shot. This person is again ready to give it a shot. That's what. For the most likely outcome, we have the Page of Pentacles. So for that, we have the Hermit, we have the Four of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. So definitely there are a lot of emotions. Perhaps you can expect a new beginning, a one more step in this direction, a second chance sort of. With the Hermit, with the Four of Swords, somebody is totally trying to focus on themselves. Perhaps both of you are trying to come up and heal the situation, solve the situation. And since there are a lot of emotions in this situation, so perhaps for the sake of the fact that it was a commitment, perhaps it was long term, both of you are ready to give it a new shot or a second shot. That's what I feel. Let's see what is the message from this deck. Be willing to express love. Number 6 may be of some significance for you. Express love to receive love. So Leos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.